Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 366 Woodland Way here in Russell, Massachusetts.
Let's go inside this amazing custom-built 4-bedroom, 3-bath property with a 3-car garage and over 4,500 square feet of living space.
If you're looking for an incredible home to entertain family and friends with amazing features such as a grand entrance, open layout, bamboo flooring, and amenities for days, then this is the one.
The stunning allure of this property will redefine luxury with world-class features such as a complete custom kitchen, master retreat with trophy ensuite, steam shower, jacuzzi tub, and more.
This stunning property comes complete with a loft, game room, full bar, walkout patio, outdoor spa, and even comes with a separate teen or in-law suite.
With an extravagant lower level and outdoor living space, this spectacular home features impeccable professional landscaping, including paved driveway, geothermal heat and solar panels, all on over 2 acres. You gotta come see this to believe it.
We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 366 Woodland Way here in Russell, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at the Wine Garden team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you.
Let's get it.
Boom.
Oh boy. Incredible home to call your own. That's not what it says at all.
Pretty. Well, let me read that real quick. Property will. Oh, I can't even talk though. Don't jinx me.